Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here with my August online workshop. So if you've not been to one of my online workshops before, here's how it works. It's absolutely free of charge for you to watch and follow along with the tutorials that I'm going to share with you. There are 4 different card projects for you to have a look at, and you're welcome to copy these to make them your own. But if you want to place an order with me this month, then you're going to get some extra goodies as a result of it. So any size order placed with me for this online workshop is going to get a thank you card through the post. But if your order goes over £30, then I'm also going to email you the August Ideas Tutorial Bundle. Now, the tutorial bundle is something that a group of demonstrators, Stampin' Up! Demonstrators from around the world have put together. And this month it happens to be fun folds. So we're doing a tutorial bundle full of different fun folds for you. If your order goes over £50, then as well as the thank you card, as well as that Ideas Tutorial Bundle, you're also going to get the Make and Take kit from today. So this is my August Make and Take kit, and we're going to be using the Blossom Wishes kit, which I'll come back to in a minute. And we're going to also be using the Horse and Sleigh DSP, which is an online exclusive which came out actually in July. And while we're waiting for the Autumn Winter catalogue, which launches on 6th of September, this is a great pack of papers for any of your winter crafting, Christmas crafting, as you will see. So, like I say, if you spend over £50, then you're going to get this, or a pack very similar to this, not emailed, you will get it mailed to you, postage mailed to you, and you will also get full written instructions emailed to you as well. If your order goes over £70, then in addition to the thank you card, the tutorial bundle, the make and take pack, you're also going to get a mixed pack of 24 sheets of 6x6 DSP. It is retired DSP, but then you will get a mix of different papers and specialty papers and card in there. So that's the advantage of ordering with me with this online workshop. And in order to do that, you need to use my Stampin' Up! Code. If you are following along with me on Facebook or on my website, then there will be a link that will automatically put that code in there for you, which is the easiest way to do it. If you need any help with ordering, please do get in touch with me. Now, just a couple of extra points this month that I want to make. As I said, we're going to be using this Blossom Wishes kit, and let me just see if I can. Yep. So the Blossom Wishes kit makes 8 cards with envelopes, and just during August we have got a sale on our kits. So the savings range from 10% to 30%. Because this is one of our newer kits, it's a 10% saving, and that makes this kit, the full kit, £11.70 instead of £13. So £11.70 to make 4 different cards. 4 different cards in each of 2 styles for a total of 8 cards. So we're going to make one of the cards exactly as it shows here, and I've already in my on my blog post yesterday showed making the other card exactly as it is in the kit here. But we're also going to have a go at creating something different with the kit. Not just with the kit, we are adding something a little extra to it, but I wanted to show how you can combine kits and your own supplies to put something different together. So like I say, 10% off this one, but if you're looking for better savings, then there's 30% off the You're My Anchor kit, which I don't have anymore. It is an older kit that we've got, and I loved it because it's got lighthouses in there. It's got all sorts of things coastal, and so being on the coast, you know, it really appeals to me. Another one that is a great saving, and I have got this because I haven't actually made this up yet, which is dreadful of me. But the other kit that you can get is this, what is it called? Let me double check. Celebrate Today magnet board. And I would very definitely recommend getting this one. You'd get the proper magnet board in here and all the supplies to be able to make up a magnet board, which makes it a great fun project to do. It is a bit of a bigger box of stuff if you're looking for something that you can take with you, say on a holiday or while you're waiting for somebody, you know, if there's school events. Well, they're probably not school events at this time of year, but you know what I mean. If you're waiting for kids events and what have you and want something to do, this is a great kit to do it with. And this is reduced to £16.80 from £24. So you're getting the full 30% discount on this kit. And like I say, I paid full price for it. It's an absolute fabulous kit. I must get around to actually using it because I think it's brilliant. It's even got the little magnet clips in here. So last thing, if in July you earned one of our bonus days coupons, or more than one coupon, then don't forget that you redeem them this month. They do need to be redeemed this month, but you can put them against your kit collection bargains, so don't forget to do that. So we're now going to move on and start with our first project.